So what I got going on here is I'm going to trim down this print. It's just printed reflective material. It's going to go on the back of a tailgate that Josh is going to install later on today. So we're just going to trim it down, get it cut down to size. That way it's all ready for the install.
I'm installing a reflective caution guard for a railroad truck. This way it's so at night it reflects if they're working on a job site. And they want pretty much 2/3 of this tailgate to be covered in it. So I got to do a lot of prep work to get it, make sure everything's trimmed out and looks nice.
Proof.
So nothing's changed.
Well, a lot of things have changed, but what I'm doing is just getting things ready for customers. Working on some semi-truck lettering for Jackknife Trucking in Oregon. He's going with our ultra metallic colors, so I'm just going to show him what it looks like.
Oh look, Jessica's at her desk. What are you doing, Jessica?
I am working on setting up some decals for sideline power, and it's going to be called, it's the coach pad actually, but they're through sideline power. And what I have to do is I have to set them up in strips so that we can tape them together and make rolls out of them. And those are like, I should put this in.
Oh, we're going on a field trip.
I know. So those end up being like this. So then they're easier for the customer to apply. So we just have to set them up so that they're in strips and then they can just pull them off and stick them on. So that's what I'm doing right now.
We are taping some big graphics for Soren Group. They got a new building, so they were putting some wall graphics on some of their interior walls, along with a lot of windows on the outside. But right now, this is the wall graphic they were putting as you come in the front door.
Doing an install on a towing truck, a large one by normal. Usually they're just pickup trucks. This one's actually like a semi-type truck.